What's up, traders? If you have been finding it difficult making money in this forex market, this weekly analysis is for you. So last week we said we expect price to break out of this zone, and you can see that price truly break out of this zone and tested our resistance where we expect price to test. So this week, what we expect this week, we expect price to retest this zone and give us a price action setup before we look for any possible buying opportunity for the Gbpusd USD to the next resistance on the daily chart. So let's look at our next resistance on the daily chart. So our next resistance on the daily chart, where we're expecting price to retrace from, will be taking this level, which should be our next resistance, where we expect price to retest from, which is this next resistance level. So our next reversal point for the Gbpusd USD will be expecting price to move to this next resistance zone this coming week. So we're expecting price to move to this zone. So we expect price to move to this particular zone. So this is the area we're watching for market reversal for next week. So once we see price reverse from tested this level and fail to close above this level next week, so we'll be expecting price to drop from that particular level. So let's look at the weekly chart, what we expect from the weekly chart. If the weekly chart support the buying opportunity, so on the weekly chart, we can see that price converted this previous resistance into support level. So long price converted this previous resistance into support level, that means price supported this our trade plan. So we expect price to retest this zone and move to this next resistance, this strong resistance level, which also is a strong weekly resistance level, where we expect price to reverse from. So we expecting price to move to this our resistance level this coming week, and we're waiting for price action setup from this support level, which is our previous resistance at on support level, or price can also come to this level. So but our main focus will be this level. Once we have our price action setup, we know that we are buying to this next resistance level on also a weekly resistance and also a daily resistance level. So let's look at our next pair, which is the dollar index. The dollar index still remain on a downtrend. You can see that our trend still remain on a downtrend. We still have a series of lower high. So long we have this series of lower high, the dollar index remain on a downtrend on the daily chart. So what we expect this week, we expect price to retest to this zone or this zone before we look for our selling opportunity for the dollar index back to the downside. So we expect more selling opportunity on the dollar index this coming week. So let's look at our weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, we expect the dollar index to move to this next support level. So we expect price to move to this next support level on the dollar index. So this will be our level of target. So we expect price to do a retest. So we expect price to do a retest of this zone. So once price retests, then we'll see further down movement for the dollar index. So we're waiting for price to do a retest before we see our price pushing lower for the dollar index, which is we expect price to do a retest of this zone, then we'll see further downtrend for the dollar index. So we're looking for selling opportunity on the dollar index this coming week. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Euro USD. Euro USD on my daily chart still have series of higher low. So long you have this series of higher low, Euro USD remain in uptrend. So we're looking for buying opportunity on the Euro USD. So the level we're looking for our buying opportunity from, we're looking for price to retest back to this zone. So we expect price to retest back to this zone before we look at any possible buying opportunity for the Euro USD. So once we see a price on this zone, we'll be looking for price setup for us to buy Euro USD from this zone. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Euro USD. So on my weekly chart, We also have price converted this particular previous resistance into support. So long price convert this resistance into support, we might be seeing price we test this zone before we see further uptrend for the Euro USD. If you can check now, you can see that price on the daily and on the weekly are in the same direction. So we expect price to retest this zone before we see further buy for the Euro USD this coming week. So let's look at our next pair, which is the Australia USD. Australia USD has been on a range since months now. So we have been on a range since month on Australia USD. Then price break out of this level this week. So long we have a week of price break out of this level, we're expecting price to resume higher on Australia USD, which we expect this week. We expect price to retest this support zone, then we'll look for buying opportunity from that zone to the next weekly zone, which is we're expecting price to move to this next resistance level, on the daily chart, because this level is a strong level. So we expect price to move to this next resistance level on the daily chart, but we'll be looking for buying opportunity from this support level. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Australia USD. So on my weekly chart, we also have price converting. So we have price converting this resistance into support. Then we also have price converting this resistance into support also. So we're expecting price to retest those zone back. So we expect price to retest this zone back before we look for any buying opportunity, which is this zone. So we expect price to retest this zone. Once we have price, a test of price of this zone, then we'll look for buying opportunity to this next resistance level on the weekly chart and also a daily resistance level. So our scenario for the Australia this week, we'll be looking for buying opportunity on the Australia USD this week. So let's look at our next pair, which is Gold USD. Gold USD on my daily chart still remain on a downtrend. We have this downtrend on Gold USD. So we have lower low, we have a higher low, we have a higher low, we have this high here. This indicates we still have an inner structure higher low, but price are close below this higher low now. So long price close below this higher low, price take close below this higher low. So we expect price to retest this zone, then we'll see further push to the downside for gold. So we expect gold to retest this zone this week, then we'll see further downtrend movement for gold to this next support level for the Gold USD. So let's look at the weekly chart of the Gold USD. So on the weekly chart, we have price converting this particular support into resistance. So we expect price to retest this zone, then we'll see further downtrend movement for Gold USD. So we expect price to retest this zone, then we'll see further downtrend movement for Gold USD. So you can see that our daily and the weekly are in the same direction. So we expect price to do a test of this zone, then we'll look for further downtrend for the Gold USD this coming week. So we created a price action trading course. This price action trading course for traders that are finding it difficult to make profit in this market. If you want to make consistent profit, click the link below to purchase this price action trading course, which is ZFresh trading course. Trust me, this course is fully loaded for beginner trader and advanced trader. So see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.